Are you looking for a natural remedy that can improve your overall health? Look no further. Drinking garlic water daily could be the solution you've been searching for. Garlic is packed with amazing health benefits. It's a powerhouse of antioxidants. NTS supports your immune system and helps in digestion. Start your day with a glass of garlic water. It's simple to prepare. Just add crushed garlic to boiling water, let it steep, and you're good to go. But that's not all. Regular consumption can also lead to healthier skin and stronger hair. So, why wait? Make garlic water a part of your daily routine today. Remember, a small step towards a healthier lifestyle can make a big difference. Say yes to garlic water for a fitter, healthier you. Live healthily, live happily with the power of garlic water.